want my face on camera. So how are you being recorded?
Got my face.
That didn't make no sense. That didn't make no sense. Okay, all right, and then you do the rest. I'm only going to see your hands, so you ain't worry about your face in there.
Okay.
But I got to make sure you get paid. So come on, let's see. You got to trace the wires back to the port and take it out, the right one. So you're taking.
I'm right.
Wait, hold on. Is it? You trace these wires, right? Okay, so you're going to have them help you rewire it. Are you sure it's the right ones?
Yeah.
Okay, trace the wires. There you go. And then there's another wire. It's called the encoder, right? So it's this wire and this wire. Hold on, Darshay. Where are you going?
This one.
You unplugged the wrong
stuff.
Right here.
Okay, hold on.
That's what I said. Let me get you some help. You got to get him to help you plug everything back up. I think we unplugged something. May says 20 minutes away, she says. Okay, all right.
Now.
All right, still check the plugging with them. Now trace the wires with me. All right, here, you hold this. You hold this up. Are you sure? Yep, I think you got it. Because this is one you took off, right? You still got this one. And you got to put the new motor in the same place. Because remember it's programmed. Here.
Oh.
Okay, so this is our slow motor. See, 117. It's not fast at all. What does this say?
Right?
What does this say?
6,000
versus 117.
Oh, dang.
All right, so I need you to do a replacement. Why don't you first connect the wires where you put them? So do that one. You know where you went, right?
Yeah.
You remember where you put it? Because Louise has to make sure it's the same place where you put it. Give me that. I think you put it there. Can he help us out again? Can you give us a little help? She's trying to put this new one on. I can't remember. She unplugged something. I think she's put in the right place, right?
Yeah.
Because that's where he programmed it.
Yeah.
If you need help, ask for it. Okay, you got the encoder part too. And then you got to put this back on there and reattach it. I'm gonna see if you got some more zip ties in this thing. Because we had to unclip your handiwork, sir. Sorry. And then she has to put that back together. Oh, you learned how to ask for help. There you go, Louie. I was going to ask you to help her. So you got to rewire it, and then you got to go back to your programming phase. But she's almost there. And she has two. This is the thing I brought from school, Louie. So, but our Darshay, because Nick was going to let us borrow this, saying that you might as well just use this. Y'all can test out which one's better. I don't know. If it's 1, 2, or 3, because you look at that body, it has 2 on there. But she's saying they're different sizes. I don't know. So, you see that?
What's at the bottom or the top? The bottom.
Okay, so y'all built this together. Where was the motor at?
This one, right?
I got to put the ownership on y'all. Where was it at? Remember y'all had that top motor there? Was it the top or bottom? She said, I think it was the bottom maybe. And y'all probably got to make adjustments as you go along. Once you see how it fits with the artifact. Right?
Ask him for the pictures. Ask him for the videos. He's been taking pictures of the robot.
Yeah, I sure have. So, this is
No.
all tests. He called me out. I'm in teacher mode. He called me out. They know I'm gonna post them to the classroom, so it's all right. Yeah, oh yeah, he's gonna look at me. You know I'm gonna post it right to the Google Classroom. Yep. So be looking out. And then Monday, y'all better come ready to rock because y'all got 2 weeks. T-minus what? 10 days or something? T-minus 9 days. TikTok, some. If you don't count the weekdays. Yeah. So from Saturday to next Saturday is 13th. And the Saturday after that, so that's 7 days. Next Saturday is 20th. Yeah, I'm about right with my calculation. So that'd be 7. That's 13 days. If you don't count all the days, it'll be less than that in school days. But from here to there, yeah, because we're working on a Saturday, so I can't say the weekends don't count. Probably just don't count the Sundays because we don't meet.
You see it.
Okay. See what happens when you use some teamwork and you open your mouth and ask for help because you don't like doing that. For her to be aggressive, she really is shy. It's crazy. See how you talk to people.
I don't think I'm molested.
Okay. The way you talk to them boys, little boy, shut up. I be hearing you. They'll be like, I'm not, okay, you know what? You know what? No, I'm not, because they boys. So what are we? We're right. Oh, we're men. That's why we don't get. Okay, that's why you don't get taught like that. Okay. Yeah, I like how you clean that up. You said we're men. Base is 20 minutes away, by the way. He said because we're men. You just talk to boys like that. All right. Oh, see it. There's the truth. There's the truth. Lord help me. There is the truth. That's how you feel about them. So is it what you need though? Because you're the coder. Is it tight enough for you to? Okay. So the other thing is test
tight.
it. See, look at that. I just pushed it on purpose. How's it tight? See. You think I be cracking jokes, but I be paying attention. I was like, what about that though? Is that the set screw, or is Nick called the upset screw, or is that a different screw?
I just a screw.
Okay. Then you got to tighten it. I think y'all know how to do that by now, because y'all did this with the Omni wheels. It's the same process. Now, look, if it's too hard to do it from this way, you got to take the motor off, assemble it, then put the motor on. But I know that's tough to do.
But how? Wait.
Well,
it ain't gonna work.
Yes, it will.
Yeah, it is.
You just take this right off. See this? But I mean, try what you can. I'm saying if not, there's always an easier way. You're just gonna have to assemble it from the top. But try it this way, huh? Yeah, I'm gonna add it to the spreadsheet because we got to get some tools like that. Where our tools are kind of old. That's why I wanted to bring it here. It seemed like you like that tool. Yeah. It's like a Swiss Army Allen key or something. Yeah. Okay. All right. You're having a fun time with that. And their tables are like more old school than ours. These are actual science workbenches. This is what they had at IIT when I went there. Okay.
Thinking about what he's saying on the research that's done.
So what?
Supposedly they net Bluetooth links, and then it messes up with the brain.
Oh, you talking about the radiation? Yeah, that's why you shouldn't be on there. Yeah, there's research that shows that's why I say turn off your phone, because that's radiation glare. Right. And then also it messes with your focus, screen time. Yeah. Well, you know why Tyler wears these, right? Because I watch a lot of computer screens. But the other thing he's talking about is y'all AirPods and stuff. They generate a certain amount of radiation, and it can develop what's called a tumor or a cancer. That's why it's not good to just be rocking out on AirPods, because you get the radiation going straight to your skull. Yeah. Why does everybody come to me about science qualifiers? Luca did that. This is Earth round flat. I'm like, well, you a history teacher? Figure it out. I was about to touch it. I was test it. Oh, okay, all right. I thought I could catch you off guard again. That sounds pretty sturdy. That seems pretty sturdy. All right. Now this, spaghetti. Talk to them about that spaghetti mess. And then, Darcy, don't forget, we gotta unplug it so you don't mess it up. Remember my policy: you don't work with live equipment. So yeah, just connect that when you're done. Don't connect that yet. You don't work with live. The battery's right there. Don't care if the switch is off. Disconnect it. You know me. I don't want this. You got 12 volts going to your skin. So work with equipment when it's unplugged. Once she gets that zip tied again.
He put that on there.
So how do you? Why don't you ask?
Oh no, he just tucked it in and out.
He zip tied all this. We just clipped 2 zip ties. So I don't know if you want to ask James, I think, or I know Jesus is working with Code. James helped her with that. And you got to tuck it in so the wire looks like this over here. And we got to also figure out if we can get protection. So, what does it sound like? Maybe next Saturday we come back up here if possible? You want to ask him about that? Yep. You think that'll help? Possible.
Well, I think do you think they maybe have longer? Or is it other?
I'm forcing you to talk to that man. Really? I did her the same way, right? So your turn. I need you to talk to the team, the mentors here. And that was the guy working with Darcy. Oh, she's loving this because now he got to talk to her. You see, Louis is like not trying to do that. He don't remember people's names. Yeah. Jesus, that's messed up. I remember better. Y'all had a whole conversation in Spanish and you forget that. Okay. And if you use needle nose, you can pull those together. Here you go. Well, that's to pull it without your fingertips, bro. Maybe Darshay can help you tighten it. You see when you work? Look at that. You work smarter than hard. Somehow they had it tucked in.
Yeah, he put it under.
Somehow, I don't know. You can look at what they did if you want to over there. Maybe you can tie it to the frame. Because remember, you can't have the wires outside of the sizing box. Or we're going to have Darshay trying to punch somebody. I'm dead serious. Whew, I swear to God, she scared me. She walked up on dude like, you want me to show you? No, Darshay, don't
Where
show
does
her.
come from?
That's a question I wanted you to ask dude. Because I look at an encoder that you unplugged.
I think it's right here.
No, there's something already right there.
Oh, it was already like that?
So that means you unplugged another motor encoder. You gotta figure out where it goes.
This is the front left.
So this one? Where does this one go?
Let's go over there to one of the motors.
Is it like an encoder plug? Or is it a motor plug?
This one is this one. On the other side.
Okay. All right. Oh, I see you talking about the servo. That's what that's
So those
called.
right here, right?
Servos? I think so.
But whatever.
But was it on the control or was it on expansion?
Control.
Okay. As long as y'all remember. Because I think they have ports designed for sensors. Okay. Oh, you know what? All right. You looked at me real confident. I'm going to leave you alone. He said, no, I know. I got this. Real confident look.
Yeah, and then tuck it.
I didn't set it up. I'm just.
That, like,
They finished.
Right. I need your help. She don't like using the right words. She said this thing, that thing. Her favorite word is thing. And turn you into an engineer with the right words eventually. She know what it is. She's just like saying those words.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Ooh, y'all making progress today. It is 3 o'clock, so we gotta do a little bit more, and then we gotta get out of here because they close up at 4, I think.
Then, how did you tuck this into?
How did you tie it up? Like you did it in some interesting way. Yeah, but no, the way you tied it to the frame.
I didn't tie it to a frame. All I did was this.
Pay attention,
Like
Usher.
this, and then and all I did was push them in here.
Ah, that's why Darshay said the battery. Okay.
For tiny bearings.
Some
We're gonna make a very tiny fidget spinner.
That's pretty cool. I wish I had time to learn that. You probably make some fidget spinners at the school. Y'all like those. Yeah, why don't you figure out how you did that, or maybe ask him later. He'll probably show you. Because I'd be like, Louise, they're bored. Go make some fidget spinners for them. Yeah, take it to the robots bench and make some fidget spinners real quick. I gotta look that up on Google because he probably got parts for it. Oh, he tucked it in there, huh? That's real neat.
You know.
Yeah, you say what?
It's working out.
Well, you see, he's not. I mean, well, you just gotta watch the wire. It takes experience, y'all. Just watch what he's doing, though. There's no way to get around it. He just figured it out. Look, don't be afraid.
A lot of robotics, just in general, is just online. So it's just about looking it up. My teacher
I think I said that.
would say, I don't know, figure it
You
out.
talking about Jesus here?
Google it.
Yeah.
That's what I told the kids in the panel I was in. Like, I just like y'all. Like, if I don't know something, just Google it. Or, like, find the closest thing to the solution and massage it into whatever you need.
There you go. And I say the same thing to y'all, don't I? But when you get a chance before we get out of here, you make sure he knows everything he needs to do because he's gonna be one of the students to try to establish a chapter.
Yeah, we should connect them with the president here.
Are they still here?
Yeah, because they're running a mini conference right now. So that's why they have to do it.
Oh no, because I'm gonna take him over there because there's a bunch of them, and then I'm gonna try to start NSB at my school, NSB Junior or something, NSB PCI maybe. They have a PCI for y'all too.
I don't even know.
Pre-college initiative, just like at the high school level. Okay. So they just came from the professional level to visit, or?
No, we have a relationship. A bunch of our students graduated, went to university.
Oh,
And so they're
came
involved
back.
in SHIP there. And so their collegiate SHIP chapter reaches out to our SHIP.
That's like a PCI, like ours. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. All right.
But it comes from the organization, not from the institution.
Wow, that's deep. Y'all got money. Okay, so no, we have to get like a university to sponsor us or something. Like mine's is IIT, and then I'm trying to get them to help out Nesby at my school.
Well, we also have an SB junior here too. So
They're not here though, right?
No, they're not. Well, actually, we should check to see. I don't know. There's probably some robotics kids are probably.
I'm
not.
gonna get your contact info.
Nick.
Yeah, Nick. Yeah, Nick is an old friend of mine. He taught my son.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, that's what I was saying.
And as an engineer, you know,
That's hard, yeah.
Like there was even fewer of us. So,
Yes.
like, we would always try to fundraise together
It's the same for me.
and throw parties together.
Share notes together.
Because I'm like,
Because the Indians and the Asians, they had their own
And then you have
cheat
the
groups,
Greek-
and
and then you have the Greek,
yeah,
you know, so-
and that's how they got through engineering school. And Nesby saved my life, especially in differential equations. Sheesh. Oh God. Okay.
Can we move? No. It's turned on.
No, he's the human element, human player.
There was one in FTC. Was it? Something's happening.
is something supposed to happen?
I don't know. I was confused. I'm like, oh, this is the autonomous part, or what was? Oh, oh boy,
Well,
that's a bad sign.
Is it
Huh?
restarted?
Oh Lord.
and then it moves.
Oh. I heard movements. Oh.
They're trying to get a hold of her.
But that speed is not enough to shoot it out, I
Right now,
think.
the other thing too is like the current positions. The current positions are. You gotta adjust those. Because
That's
what
that.
happened is these. So those current positions is it's trying to rotate the wheels to those positions because it knows like for the regular wheels, these wheels, when these wheels are here, it knows that if it rotates 2 times, it moves 6 inches. But these wheels work on slippage. So they're gonna rotate a bunch of times before they catch. So we gotta change those numbers. We gotta increase them a lot.
Okay. You got all that, y'all? Because I'm about to call her about y'all food. Y'all good? All right, let me check on Mason.